Transferring money from Hdfc to a UK bank account is very easy. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Log in to your Hdfc Bank online banking account using your customer ID and password. Navigate to the Funds Transfer or International Transfer section. Choose the type of transfer you want to make. For an international transfer to a UK bank account, select an option like Overseas Transfer or International Wire Transfer. After that, enter the details of the recipient's UK bank account. This typically includes the recipient's name, bank name, branch address, account number, and the SWIFT or BIC code of the UK bank. Next, enter the amount you wish to transfer. Be aware of any applicable fees for international transfers. Double-check all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. Then, confirm the transfer request. So, depending on the bank's security measures, you may need to provide additional authorization, such as entering a one-time password sent to your registered mobile number. After initiating the transfer, monitor your Hdfc bank account for any updates on the transaction. Alternatively, you can transfer money through any other bank of yours or provide your bank account details to your employer, business partner, or any other individual who will then transfer the money to your Insta account.